vertical antenna stored on IMAX 2000 at 10-meter high above the ground. Okay, using in this moment the max power output of the transceiver. Okay, in this moment 100 weeks is my friend Marty. Microphone back to you again. 048 mobile 136 over.
Yeah, fine business, Mr. Ivan. 34SD 136 048 mobile returning. Yeah, beautiful signal there, especially there from the vertical. I was waiting on you coming back and telling me how many elements was on your directional antenna. Well, IMAX 2000, very impressive there, I must say. Very impressive signal from the IMAX. Saying that, very good antenna. People seem to be using them all over the place there with very good results. I had one there when I worked home base, but due to bad television antenna installation there, rather than go through a lot of bother there, we had to stop working from the house, and we just all we do just a little work from the mobile, which I thoroughly enjoy, Ivan. Just for the record, it's just going coming up on 4:10 p.m. in the afternoon here in the day, and it's looking like I think we are going to have rain. It's looking like a shower of rain. We've had about 2 hours sunshine there, which we thoroughly glad of, but I see it's starting to get dark. Darkness is starting to fall, so I am sure your WX there will be a lot better in Tenerife, Ivan. Around to you on that, my friend. 136 from 048 over.
048 136 returning. Okay, Marty, okay, copy 100%, my friend. Yeah, the weather condition today here in this moment, the sunshine, okay, and now it's 16-17 degrees Celsius. The sky is partially cloudy, but no problem, because the temperature is really nice, my friend. Yeah, no problem. And yeah, I'm very happy with this antenna with Solar Fan IMAX 2000, because here in Canary Island the wind blows very hard. Okay, and this antenna is a very good antenna for wind. Okay, the fiberglass antenna works really well. I'm very happy. I bought it 2 or 3 years ago. I'm not sure, but I'm very happy, my friend. It is a very good antenna, my friend Marty. Oh, excuse me. I hope you understand me, my friend, because my English is horrible. Okay, my friend. Microphone back to you, Marty 048 136 over.
Yeah, your English 100%. I hear, I understand you 100%, Ivan. 100%. You're booming in there. Just for the record, I am doing a little recording there. Doing a little recording of your audio. And I don't know if you, with your permission, may I put it on YouTube there? May I put your recording on YouTube, and you may listen to how good you are sounding to my mobile, over?
Something from a little recording. Okay, no problem for record my audio. Okay, my friend. Come back to you, Marty.
Roger, yeah. Well, I will put it under your tag. I will tag it at your call sign on YouTube. All you have to do is hit your own call sign on YouTube. I will tag it so you can hear your audio quality, my friend. Okay, Ivan, I thank you very much, my friend, and I wish you good luck and good DX till we meet again. 34 Sugar Delta 136, Mr. Ivan. 68 World Radio 048 stroke mobile, going QRT on any finals.
Okay, Marty, no problem. I look up this on internet. Okay, no problem. I find it in internet. Thank you very much, 73, and hope to catch you back on the frequency, Marty. Bye-bye, 68 Whiskey Romeo 048 34 Sugar Delta 136. Bye-bye, take care. Bye-bye.
Okay, Ivan, good DX, my friend. Bye-bye.